Hey everybody, it's Brad at Dayport Brothers LLC out in Versailles, Ohio. Going to do another walk around video followed by an operational video on this Valmet 546 harvester that came in and we're putting up for sale. Like always, I'll walk around, I'll talk about the features and functions, I'll get up close to everything, talk about everything I know, show you everything that I see. Then of course we'll fire it up, let you hear the engine, show you the functions working, show you this processing head up here working. As always, if you are in the market for a used piece of farm equipment, a used piece of construction equipment, please like the video, please subscribe to the channel. Your likes and subscriptions help other people who are looking for machines find our machines and find our videos, and we truly do appreciate it. All right, like I said, this one's a 1994 Valmet 546 harvester, cab heat air. The air does not work. 6-wheel drive. It's got a Cranab 998 harvester crane with the processing head, powered by a Ford diesel engine. It's got 20,997 hours. Cranks up, runs good. We'll show you that here in a little bit. Seems like everything works like it's supposed to on the processing head. Kind of get up close to everything. First, we'll look at the processing head. I'll kind of get up close. Like I said, everything seems to be working like it's supposed to up here. And of course, I'll try to we'll show that when we do the operational video. I see a couple spots up here, a little bit of welding. Right up there, that pin looks like it's had a spot where it's been welded. This part of the grapple arm here has a couple of spots where it's been welded and reinforced. The saw looks pretty good and runs good. Both of the drums look pretty good. I don't really see any cracks or welds up here. One little spot, I don't know if you can see it, but about right there, looks like there's been a little bit of a spot where it's got a weld on it. It is a used 94 model Foresty machine, so it's not perfect, but it does, like I said, run. You'll see it here. Tires have some spots where it's chewed up. The tread bars are, I don't know, probably close to an inch deep. Rims are, they got a little bit of rust in them, but nothing terrible. This tire here is actually probably got a little better tread depth. It's probably 1.5 inches or better. A little bit of weather cracking there. They seem to be all holding air good. This rear tire is a little different style tread pattern. Again, they've got some chewed up spots on the tires, but they're all holding air. That rim looks decent. Coming around here. Kind of got a few dents and dings up there. Again, nothing you wouldn't expect, but they're there. The engine enclosure is actually pretty straight. I've got it open. I couldn't do it with one arm and hold the camera, so I had it opened ahead of time. We'll take a look at the engine here in a little bit. Everything looks pretty good here. This rear tire matches up really well to that other rear tire. Same style tread. Again, that rim's pretty decent. Everything looks pretty good here. I'm not seeing any welds or anything on any of these pins. Steering cylinders, we'll show you those here in a little bit. These front tires match up really well to the other side. Again, a little bit of weather cracking. Everything looks pretty good up here. Looking at this side, I don't don't know if it's hard for you guys to see with that sunlight the way it is, but I'm not really seeing any cracks or welds or plating on this side up there. Everything looks pretty good up here. We'll take a look at the engine. Like I said, it is a Ford diesel engine here. A little bit of moisture, a little bit of dirt in there. I don't see any spots where there's just huge leaks, but there is some dust and dirt in there and some spots where there is a little bit of moisture. I don't know how well you can see them, but back in here there's a little bit. Let's take a look at the other side. Here around the injection pump, you can see there's a little bit of moisture there. Up top, everything looks decent. The fins look pretty good here on the radiator. This oil cooler. Kind of looking from this side, the fins all look pretty decent. We'll go take a look inside the cab. The seat looks okay. I don't see any big cuts or tears in the seat. The armrests have been taped up, as you can see, on both sides. Yeah, your controls. Gauges. Tach and hour meter, like I said, 20,997 down there. Some of your plexis got a little bit of some scratchiness to it, kind of hard to see out of a little bit. It's got a little bit of a tent to it, if you will. Pedals down there. Some of the material down on the sides is kind of loose. Nothing you wouldn't expect for a used Forester machine like this. All right, like I said, it's a 1994 546. If you want to see photos of it, our website is down below in the description. If you have any questions, comment down below. We'll try to answer any questions. We'll shut this engine enclosure and we'll fire it up and get right into an operational video.